Hi guys. So I'm starting this series of solving these lead code problems. I'm taking this first problem as add two numbers. So in this one, what according to question, what it is saying is there are two numbers that are given in the form of linked list, and they are in the reverse order. We have to add them and provide a linked list of the sum of the numbers actually. So in this one, we have to assume that the two numbers do not contain any leading zeros. Okay. So here, they have added these two numbers and they have prepared a linked list in reverse order only. So this will be the answer that we have to return. Plus, so in this one, what we can do is we can start adding the values at each of the current nodes, and we can start moving forward. But we have to take care of one more thing. While adding, there can be the numbers can be 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So in this case, there will be a remainder as well. So we have to take care of that as well. Okay. So let's start. We will take a list node of head for the new list, which will be equal to null. Then we will have a temp variable as well, which we will use for iterating on the new list. Okay. Now we will also take one more variable, that is for maintaining the remainder. Okay. Or you can say it as a carry actually, not a remainder. Carry while L1 is not equal to null and L2 is not equal to null. What we'll do is we will keep iterating on both the linked lists, and we will start getting the sum at each of the current nodes. So here we will add again this one as well. Plus we will add the remainder here. If there is any remainder, it will get added, or you can say carry. Okay. Now we will have a new carry after this, that is equal to sum by 10. We will create a new node for this sum now. Equal to sum by sum percentage 10. So it will have only one digit. Since we have had an temp as null as of now, so we will initialize them as well. So we will put a check here if head is equal to null. Then in this case, we will initialize the head first. Okay, and temp as well. Okay, if we already have this head as a value, in the second iteration, in that case, what we'll do is we will initialize the next node of this temp variable, and we will move this temp variable to the current node. Okay. After this, we will move forward in both the lists. So here L1 is equal to L1 dot next, L2 is equal to L2 dot next. Okay. So we have finished this iteration. Now there is a possibility that one of these lists, either L1 or L2, these can, one of them can contain more numbers than the other one. So one of them can be longer than the other one. In that case, we have to handle the scenarios as well. So while L1 is not equal to null, right, we will keep doing the same thing. So we will calculate the sum here with L1 and carry, and so we are assuming here that only L1 is longer than the L2. So we will just like process on L1 only, and we'll keep calculating the carry here, and this this is equal to new node and temp is equal to temp dot next. Okay. After this, we will do the same thing for L2 as well. Also, we have to like to L1 is equal to L1 dot next. Here as well, we will do L2 is equal to L2 dot next. Okay. After this, one more thing is possible. Actually, there is one more edge case. Like the carry, even after finishing all these loops, the carry may have one value that is greater than 0. So we have to check that as well. Carry is greater than 0. In that case, what we'll do is, this is the final step. Like we'll just create it and assign it. So here it will be carry. Okay. And temp dot next is equal to new node temp equal to temp dot next. This is not necessary actually. After this, we will just simply return the head, which we have already initialized. Let's try to run it and see the value. Okay, there is one missing. This is accepted. Let's try to submit it. So this got accepted. Hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.